Everyone, so now we are going to learn the OSPF troubleshooting. So let me log into the lab, and if you see here, we can use this topology. I have the R1, R2. We have two routers are connected to each other, and we can do the configuration. Configuration is simple. We need to enable the OSPF, like we are enabling the OSPF from starting. And here I have one computer also connected. So with this computer also we can access if you want to access anything. Anyhow, let me power on the device and take the console of the device. So this device is power on and it is taking time to load. Meanwhile, I will power on the other device also. It will also power on and it will be ready. Here I have the R1 and R2. I think here we need to do the configuration. We don't have any configuration. And this is the computer I am using. This is a Windows 11. That is up to us to use this or not. Just to show you some more features, I am using this Windows 11. So this is the Windows 11. I open here, you can see, and I can log in this Windows 11. Test is a password, capital T, remaining is small, and test 123 is the password. T must be capital. And here let's see this router. This is the router R1 and here router R2. So I think in R2 we have some configuration, so I will remove whatever configuration we have in the R2. If you want to remove, you can remove this way also. When you go here, you can see wipe. When you click the wipe, it will delete all the configuration whatever is present here. So we can do the configuration from the scratch. So if you see, it will okay. Window is actually we need to install window in the EVE-NG. Like before, I think we did not install window in your PC. Later I will share you the window also if you want to use window. See, this is the VMware workstation, and if you remember, we have this is a WinSCP. So before we open WinSCP and load the image, same that way we need to load the window image. Like when it came, you need to put this IP 192.168.45.130, this one, and click login. You will log in here. After that, you need to go to this location, OPT, Unit Lab, Add-ons, SchemU. Here you need to drag and drop this one. Here I have Windows 11. This is a folder name, and inside this is a image. So just you need to drag wherever you have and drop here. So when you drag and drop, after that put the permission command. So when you right click and go here and go down, you will see here like window. So whatever window you have, example I have Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, which one we need we can select. So if you want to install all this, you need to load XP 4 GB. It will take hard disk. 4 GB Windows 7, 4 GB Windows 11, 4 GB this one. So which one you are using, only that one you can load. Because I am teaching to many students many different things, that's why I load all that one, but for you Windows 11 is enough. So like that we will select here which one you need and click OK. So it will come like this, and you can connect the same thing as we are doing. And I started this router. So now I have this router R1 and R2. Both routers I have. So now we need to do the configuration. Imagine this is a brand new router. You don't have anything. Here we are doing the troubleshooting. So hello timer, dead timer must be same. This is the first thing. Both the sides should be same. So generally when you configure, by default you will have same only. No one will change. But in case maybe you are managing this router and another engineer is managing this router, maybe that guy changed some timers. So you should also change the timer, or you need to ask the guy to return to the original timer. Don't change the any timer. Like in the real world we are not changing any timer, but maybe if someone changed, you need to return back to the old timer. So before that one, first we need to configure the OSPF. So to configure the OSPF, this is a brand new router I have here. So I need to configure. So see here, this is a OSPF configuration. I already prepare. Just cross check. This is the R1. We will write enable config T, host name we will change, we will assign the IP. This is the R1 F0 by 0. We will write IP address, put the IP example here. We will take 12.1. So this is the /24 means 3 times 255.0 no shut, and loopback interface loopback 0, IP address 1.1.1, give space 255.0.0 because we are using /8 here. So this one, and then router OSPF 1, and you are enabling the OSPF, so you will go under this interface and you will write IP OSPF 1 area 0, and you will go to this interface also loopback 0, and you will enable IP OSPF 1 area 0. This one is clear, right? Or you have any confusion in this configuration? Okay, so this one is the R1 configuration. Just now you look only this one, from here to here only this one. So this one I will paste in the R1. So R1 we pasted, and then after that what we need to do, we need to do R2 also. So if you see, this is the configuration for R2. This is also simple, but before, yes, now don't see this one. Yeah, this one I will explain you. Just you see from here to here, and then after that look from here to here. This is the basic thing just to enable the OSPF. After that I will show you what is this, why I am putting this one. I will show you that one. So now you remember, you see this one and cross check this configuration is good or not. R2, this is the R2. You will change the name of the router with this one. You add the ID IP here F0 by 0, and you have the loopback here, and here also you have some IP because we are using the router, so better we assign the IP here. So I will copy this, somewhere we can put, here we can put, and this is F1 by 0. IP address we will give whatever IP we are giving, same subnet IP we should give here. So let me check, because I remember here I assign some IP. So what IP I assign, we can give similar IP here. Let me check. This is the window. In the window you can go here, right click and open the NIC card, or you can go to the run and write ncpa.cpl and click OK. So it will open the LAN card. LAN card means where we assign the IP, this one. You know how to go here, right? From here also you can right click, go to the internet connection. From there you will go here, or directly I shown you here that we will use that method, and go here in the property, select the IPv4 and property, and check here we are having 192.168.2.2 here, and gateway I give as 2.1. so this IP we assign to this computer. So here I will give 2.1 to this router interface IP, because gateway will be the router interface IP. So this PC is connected to this router interface